Hello there, warriors. Imagine your teeth as a picturesque fortress, standing tall in your oral kingdom, defended by vigilant soldiers. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth after you eat or drink. These microscopic saboteurs, armed with acids, launch a sneak attack on your dental fortress walls. These sneaky invaders thrive on sugary substances left on your teeth after meals. Plaque bacteria feast on sugars and release acids. These acids weaken the enamel, the protective outer layer of your teeth, creating vulnerable spots in the fortress walls. This plaque engages in daily raids, attempting to compromise the integrity of your dental stronghold. If not thwarted, these raids can lead to cavities, tooth decay, and gingivitis, weakening the overall defenses. And when left unchecked for long, it can lead to a troublesome situation with tartar strengthening up these invaders. Tartar, also known as dental calculus, is like heavyweight reinforcements. It forms when minerals in saliva interact with the plaque, causing it to harden and become a stubborn mineralized fortress. Unlike the soft and removable nature of plaque, tartar creates a formidable, hardened garrison on your teeth. It's resistant to regular toothbrushing and requires professional intervention to breach its defenses. Tartar isn't just a threat to the teeth, it launches a siege on the gums. It can irritate and inflame the gums, leading to gingivitis and, if left unaddressed, progressing to more severe gum diseases. Ladies and gentlemen, there is no need to worry. If you take care of your teeth every day, you can ensure to prevent plaque buildup. And here's the best part. You can keep your teeth in perfect condition naturally. Stay tuned to find out 9 incredible ways to remove and prevent plaque and tartar buildup in this ultimate guide to dental health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We look out for your health with amazing wellness tips for a healthy life, and we would love for you to be a part of our community of warriors. Number 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is touted as one of the healthiest oils for its diverse health benefits. It contains lauric acid, a fatty acid with strong antimicrobial properties. Lauric acid has been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria, viruses, and fungi in the mouth. Coconut oil can help reduce the overall bacterial load in the oral cavity, including the bacteria that contribute to plaque formation. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can also help soothe and reduce inflammation in the gums. Healthy gums are crucial for overall oral health. Regular use of coconut oil in oral care routines may contribute to the prevention of gingivitis, an early stage of gum disease. Coconut oil's antimicrobial properties also target odor-causing bacteria in the mouth and may lead to fresher breath. Oil pulling involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil around in the mouth. The swishing action mechanically helps dislodge plaque and bacteria from the teeth and gums. The oil traps these particles, preventing them from reattaching to the teeth. Select organic, unrefined, and cold-pressed coconut oil for oil pulling. These varieties retain more of the beneficial compounds. Aim to practice oil pulling 2 to 3 times a week for optimal benefits. Perform oil pulling in the morning before eating or drinking anything. This helps maximize the duration of the process and ensures that the oil is in contact with the teeth and gums without interference from food or beverages. Take a tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it around your mouth vigorously, pulling it through your teeth for around 15-20 minutes continuously. Do not swallow the oil and ideally spit it out into a trash can. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with warm water or a saltwater rinse to remove any residual oil and remaining bacteria. Number 2. Baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, has a gritty texture that acts as a mild abrasive. This characteristic allows it to mechanically scrub away surface stains on teeth caused by coffee, tea, and tobacco. The abrasiveness of baking soda can help break down the soft and sticky film of plaque that forms on teeth. Plaque is a biofilm containing bacteria that produce acids, leading to tooth decay and gum disease. By regularly using baking soda to disrupt plaque formation, there's potential for reducing the risk of tartar buildup. Tartar can only be removed professionally by a dentist or dental hygienist. Despite its benefits, baking soda should be used with caution due to its abrasive nature. Excessive and aggressive use can lead to enamel erosion, which is the gradual wearing away of the protective outer layer of teeth. Dentists typically recommend limiting the use of baking soda to once a week or a couple of times a month to minimize the risk of enamel erosion. Overuse may result in tooth sensitivity and compromise the structural integrity of the teeth. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste and use a soft bristled toothbrush to apply the baking soda paste. Gentle circular motions are recommended to avoid excessive abrasion. After brushing with baking soda, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water to remove any residual particles. To further mitigate the abrasiveness, you can mix a small amount of baking soda with your regular fluoride toothpaste. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is acidic, primarily containing acetic acid. This acidity can help dissolve and break down dental plaque and tartar, which are composed of bacterial biofilm and hardened mineral deposits. It may have mild antibacterial properties which can target and inhibit the growth of bacteria in the mouth, contributing to a reduction in plaque-forming bacteria. The acidity can stimulate saliva production. Saliva is the body's natural defense mechanism against plaque buildup, as it helps neutralize acids and wash away food particles. Since apple cider vinegar is acidic, using it undiluted can potentially erode tooth enamel. Diluting it with water helps reduce its acidity, making it safer for oral use. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 to 3 parts water. This dilution is generally considered safe for oral use. Swish the diluted apple cider vinegar around in your mouth for about 20-30 seconds. The acidity of apple cider vinegar, if used excessively, may contribute to enamel erosion. Using apple cider vinegar as a mouth rinse once a week is often suggested. This infrequent use minimizes the risk of prolonged exposure to acidic conditions in the mouth. Number 4. Fruits and vegetables. You must have heard an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and here's why. Many fruits and vegetables, especially crunchy ones like apples, carrots, and celery, have a fibrous texture. The natural fibers act as gentle abrasives that help remove plaque and debris from the surfaces of teeth. Chewing on fibrous fruits and vegetables provides a mechanical cleaning action. The fibers can help scrub away plaque, food particles, and bacteria from the tooth surfaces. The abrasiveness can also contribute to preventing surface stains on teeth by removing pigmented particles that might otherwise adhere to the enamel. Chewing crunchy fruits and vegetables stimulates saliva production in the mouth. Saliva is essential for maintaining oral health, and its benefits include A. Neutralizing acids. Saliva helps neutralize acids produced by bacteria in the mouth. This is crucial for preventing acid-related damage to tooth enamel. B. Remineralization. Saliva contains minerals like calcium and phosphate, which aid in remineralizing enamel and repairing microscopic damage. C. Flushing debris. Increased saliva flow helps in flushing away food particles, bacteria, and acids, reducing the risk of plaque formation. D. pH balance. Saliva contributes to maintaining a healthy pH level in the mouth. A balanced pH is important for preventing an overly acidic environment, which can contribute to tooth decay and gum disease. Opt for raw and crunchy fruits and vegetables for maximum dental benefits. Examples include apples, carrots, celery, and bell peppers. Incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet to ensure a diverse range of nutrients. Different fruits and vegetables offer unique textures and nutritional profiles. Choose fruits and vegetables as healthy snack options between meals. Snacking on these foods can contribute to the natural cleansing process throughout the day and prevent eating junk food as snacks. Some fruits, such as citrus fruits, are acidic. While they can stimulate saliva production and contribute to dental health, it's advisable to rinse the mouth with water afterwards to mitigate potential enamel erosion. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, particularly catechins. These polyphenols have been shown to have various health benefits, including antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The antimicrobial properties of green tea catechins can help inhibit the growth of bacteria in the mouth. Bacteria, especially those like Streptococcus mutans, contribute to the formation of plaque. Catechins may interfere with the bacteria's ability to adhere to tooth surfaces, limiting their growth and reducing the formation of dental plaque. Green tea polyphenols may also reduce the production of acid by bacteria, helping to maintain a less acidic environment in the mouth. This is important because acidic conditions can contribute to enamel erosion. Drinking green tea regularly, along with swirling it through the mouth, can provide a consistent supply of polyphenols, contributing to ongoing bacterial control. Choosing unsweetened green tea is crucial for oral health. Sugars in sweetened beverages can fuel the growth of bacteria in the mouth, leading to increased plaque formation. Unsweetened green tea is a calorie-free beverage, making it a healthier option compared to sugary drinks. This choice supports overall health and helps maintain a balanced diet. Number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has well-documented anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a key factor in various oral health issues, including gingivitis and periodontal disease. The anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric can benefit gum health by reducing inflammation and preventing or alleviating conditions like gingivitis, where the gums become inflamed and may bleed. Turmeric's ability to reduce swelling may contribute to improved gum comfort and a healthier overall oral environment. Turmeric has a slightly abrasive nature, and its powder can act as a gentle scrub. This characteristic makes it potentially effective in removing surface stains and dental plaque when used in moderation. It's essential to use turmeric paste with caution and avoid excessive scrubbing. Overzealous scrubbing may lead to enamel wear or gum irritation. Apply the paste gently to avoid any damage to the tooth enamel. Limit the use of turmeric paste to once or twice a week as part of your oral care routine. Frequent use may not be necessary, as turmeric can have a lingering yellow tint that might temporarily affect the appearance of teeth. Combine turmeric powder with enough water or coconut oil to make a paste with a thick but spreadable consistency. Use a soft toothbrush to apply the turmeric paste to your teeth. Gently brush for 2-3 minutes. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water to remove any residue. It's advisable to follow up with regular toothpaste to ensure comprehensive cleaning and prevent yellow tinting. Oh my dear warriors, oral health is of the utmost importance because, through the food we eat and the air we breathe, we can expose our body to many unseen toxins or germs. And our dental fortress is one of the first lines of defense. We all know how sugar is harmful to our health, but we still crave sweetness at times. Here's a personal advice. Consider including fruits or vegetables as dessert and part of your post-meal routine. They provide natural sweetness with tremendous benefits. Chewing on them can help remove residual food particles, promote saliva flow after eating, and of course, help limit the consumption of high-sugar desserts. Cheers to wellness and health. This is Wellness Warriors with another life-changing experience on how to take control of your healthy lifestyle. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the latest health tips and tricks to a better life. Thank you for watching. See you again next time on Wellness Warriors.